here's the next lesson that goes with 11.1, integers and absolute value. Yesterday, or if you watched it today, you learned just about how to find absolute value. Sorry about all my Gmail notifications. And today I'm going to show you how to compare values. So I want you to copy down the directions that will be in your textbook or in your assignment. It says copy and complete the statement using a less than sign, a greater than sign, or an equal to sign. And so that's what we're going to do. Here we go. A. This would be then example 2. I'm having a hard time right now. What else is new? I guess I need more coffee, right, guys? It's not even the morning right now. It's actually 2 o'clock. Okay, here we go. I'm going to focus now. Clearly, I still am very sidetracked even with online learning. This is awesome. All right, example A, part A. Could you please write down, we are comparing the number 1, and we are comparing the absolute value of -4. And so in this box, we are going to put an inequality symbol or an equal sign. And so what I want you to do is write down the actual value of these numbers. So for example, 1 is equivalent to 1, and the absolute value of -4, as you learned in the last lesson, is equivalent to 4. And so now that you have the true values of those numbers written down, it's very easy to compare. You would have a less than sign. Remember, you want your inequality signs to eat the bigger numbers, so you can pretend like that is a mouth. So we would have a less than sign here. Okay, I'm on a roll now. I'm focused. Example B, please write down the absolute value of -2, and we are going to compare that to -1. And so we already know that the value of -1 is -1, so I'm just going to kind of copy that down. And then the absolute value of -2 is the same as 2. So really the numbers that we're comparing are 2 and -1. Again, you want your inequality symbol to eat the bigger number. So I'm going to make it go this way this time. That's a greater than sign. So you would put a greater than sign here. One trick, because I know, let me draw a number line just so you have a reference. We've got 0, 1, 2, -1, -2. I know sometimes with our negatives it can get a little bit confusing. And so if you're looking at a number line, the farther left, we've talked about this year too, the farther left on a number line please write, the less, there's an L again, value the number has. So for example, on my number line, -2 is the farthest to the left, so it is the smallest number on that number line. Maybe that will help you. So you have a very short assignment today. That's just to copy and complete. Well, I guess you won't be copying. It'll be online, so you'll probably just be filling in an inequality sign. But you'll have to compare 2 different numbers, and you'll have to compare some of them with absolute value signs. Thank you for being patient with this online learning. You're doing amazing.